Hello my viewers. There are two basic ways that a compressor can actually fail. One is electrically and the other is mechanically. First, let's look at how we can tell if a compressor has failed electrically. First, we'll look at how to ohm out the electrical windings in a three-phase compressor. Let's take a look at that. Okay, first we'll remove the cover from this terminal block, and in this case it's not too difficult. We'll force from the those pliers, and we'll pull some of these other wires. And by the way, I already turned off the power in case some of you were wondering. Okay, I went ahead and removed the wires going to the crankcase heater already, pulled them away so that we can look at the three wires going to our terminal block. First we'll remove the wires from each terminal. Sort of remember where they go or mark them or something is a good idea. We'll set our multimeter to read resistance. First we can meter from terminal 1 to terminal 2 and find out what we get on our meter, and in this case it's 0.002. Then we can meter from, then we can ohm from terminal 2 to terminal 3, and it should be the same, which in this case it is 0.002. Then we can ohm from terminal 1 to terminal 3, and it should still be the same, which it is in this case, 0.002. In this case, this compressor is good electrically. Ohming single-phase compressors are a little bit different. Here's a single-phase compressor that we'll go ahead and ohm out. First we'll pull these wires here out of the terminal block. These are just for the crankcase heater. Next we'll pull off the leads that are on these terminals. First we'll ohm common to start. Okay, and we have 0.005. Then we'll ohm common to run, and at common to run we have 0.002. Here's the real important one, from start to run. Okay, and here we get 0.007. Now let's review this. From common to run we got 0.002. From common to start we got 0.005. Okay, what you do is you add these two figures here. Okay, that's 0.002 and 0.005, and you should always come up with 0.007 when you ohm between start and run. If you do not get this figure, then your compressor is probably failing electrically. Remember, what you have to do is you have to ohm common to run, write down what you get. Common to start, write down what you get there, and then write down what you get from start to run. And the figure from start to run should always equal these two figures when added.